Deleg, record.
Gondra Delegen la Kukanzan
Tashi Deleg.
Mala.
Tashi Deleg, Lasso. Very good. Inda. Okay. Okay. So here, when we were learning Re, Duk, we learned where it is. Right? Gangla Duk, Okla Duk, Europla Yure, Pöla Yure, Pöla Yak Yure, Europla Gunpa Yure. Like this, we already learned. Agosma. Then we learned the sentence like Ngala Tep You. Like this. I have a book. Ngala Tep You. Or Kong La Tep Yuri. Like this. Agosma. Now we can change Kong La to Europe La Tep Yuri. Like this. Agosma. We did this, okay? So today we're gonna practice, okay? It's gonna be a little bit difficult. Maybe it's very easy. Let's try whatever it is, okay? That's it. Right.
Tenzin La,
Yes, please.
may I ask you, when we are talking like last time, the exercise, that homework we had, Kiranki Ama Ming Karere, and then I say Nga Ame, whatever her name is, okay? And then Kirang Kaparyo. So if your parents are already deceased, what do you say? I was thinking Nga Deva Chenyo.
That's it.
Is that okay, right? Correct? Or is there a particular word when you say your parents are no more?
Okay. I will. Here, it's very easy. Here, Ngala Tep Yu. Ngala Ama Yu. Or Ngala Pama Yu. That's it. Then you can say the opposite of you. Ngala Pama Me. Like this.
Okay. So that means, that would mean that they are no more. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Ngala Pama Me or Ngala Pama You. Ngala Pama Ni You. Like this. Okay? Or you can say Nye Pama Dewachen La Yuri. As you can wish. You are just showing where it is. Where are they? Okay? That's it. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
That's it. Then if I ask you, Kirang Kapar Yu. Kirang Kapar Yu.
So I say, Nga Bangkok La Yu.
That's Nga Bangkok La Yu. Just like this. If I ask Rodrigo La, Kirang Kapar Yu.
Na Denmark La Yu.
That's it. That's it. Very good. Okay. That's it. Oh yeah. Then today we will learn one more word. Sa patakpa shapkyupu na pun ma cha dengpo che ta che punche punche relatives or cousins. You can use this anonymously. Sorry, as you wish. 하고서 계란기 족보 가파르 요리 네 족보 유럽라 요리 계란기 빈체 가파르 요리 네 빈체 강발라 요리 or 낭라 요리 like this or dharamsala la 요리 like this 하고서 or Bangkok la 요리 or Thailand la 요리 빈체 하고서 빈체 that's it okay
Can you respell it?
yes okay sa patak pa shapkyu pu na pun ma cha dengpo che ta che pun che
Okay, punche. Punche means what? Relative or
or
cousin?
that's it.
Cousin.
Cousin or relative.
No, but relative are many kinds. You know, they can be aunt, uncle, and all that. No, so cousins also.
Yes, all
so
of them. All of them.
all of them are punche. Okay,
Yes.
okay. Did you say?
Maybe more close. Your brother or sister, Chocho, Acha, or little younger brother, younger sister. All of them are Pinche, unanimous name. Okay, that's it. Keranki Pinche Kapar Yure. Like this. Then we learned Katsu, right? How many? Katsu. Okay, if I ask Tarala, Kerangla, Tep Katsu yu. Kerangla Tep Katsu yu.
Kerangla tip kachu you. How many? Ngala tip mangpo re. Mangpo you.
That's it. Yangersuma, Kerangla Tep Katsu yu.
Ngala tip mangpo you.
That's it. Ngala Tep Mangpo yu. Like this. Kerangla Pinche Katsu yu. Like this. Instead of Tep, I can say Pinche.
Okay. So I will say ngala punche mangpo you.
That's it. Ngala Pinche Mangpo yu. Or Ni yu. Sum yu. Nga yu. As you wish.
Okay. Yeah.
Just like this. Very good. Okay. Inda. Now let's practice this. Okay. Let's practice reading here. Inda. Here, Trom and Tenzin. Trom Tang Tenzin. Re. Yeah. The McGregor la inda. McGregor la Trom yin. Tene Marcelo la Tenzin yin.
Keranki Ming Kap Karere yu.
Kare ye mare. Kare
Yin. Sorry, yeah, yin.
That's it. You can say Ray also. Okay, no problem. Just
Keranki Ming Kare yin.
Niemin tenzin yen. Ani keran min. Karere.
Oh, sorry. Here I miss key. Huh? Marcelo la Giancarlo.
Ani keran kimin. Niemin tenzin yen. Ani keran kimin. Karere.
Nghe Ming Drum Yin
Huh?
Keran ari ne yen te.
Ke- Ari- Min Nga Ari Ne Min Nga Yo Europe Ne Yin
That's it. Giancarlo. Giancarlo da.
Min Nga Ari Ne Min Nga Europe Ne Yin Ani Kerang Pe Peu Peu Kerang Peu Ne Yin Ani Kerang Peu Ne Yin Pe
Yen. Nap pone yen.
Ale Kerang Ki Pama Kapar Yure
Nie pama. Puela yore.
Kerang La Punche relatives. Yeah. Kerang La Punche Katsu Yin Yu.
Nala punchen. Nieye. A. Dikarere.
Di Sepre.
Tep di keran ki repe.
Mare. Septi Nge Mare. Septi Ge Ge Gen Septi Ge Gen Ki Re. Kerang Ki Kang Pa Kapar Yure.
That's it. Kiranki Kangpa house. Kiranki Kangpa Apar Yuri. Like this. Giancarlo.
Keranki Kampa Kapar Yure.
Nie kampa. Dasalare.
Oh, sorry. Tasala Yuri.
Nie kampa. Dasala ire.
Oh, Dasa. A short form of Dharamsala. Dasa. Dasa. Like this. Nye Kangpa Dasala Yuri. Like this.
Ale
Ani keran ki kampa. Kapar yore.
Nye Kanka Europe La Yure.
That's it. Nye Kangpa Europe la Yuri. Nye Kangpa Ari la yure. Nge kangpa, Thailand la yure. Nge kangpa, Denmark la yure. Anything. Agosunga kangpa. Like this. Pay apulo song. Very good. Agosunga. Marcelo la tujiche. McGregor la tujiche. That's all. Pay apulo song. Just like that. That's it. Yeah, tene yen hong tang nga yinda. Yen hong tromin nga tenzin yin. Ya lo.
Frankie min karein.
Nge ming tenzin yin. Ani kerang ki ming karire.
Nghe min trong in.
Ale kerang arine yin pe.
Min nga ari nen yin min. Nga Europe nem yin. Ani kerang pwenen ni be.
yin. Nga pene yin.
Ale kerang ki pama kabar yore.
Nge pama pela yure.
kerang la bunche kapche yue.
Nga la pinche ni ye. Di karire.
Di tebre.
Tep di kerang ki repe.
Mare. Tep di nghe mare. Tep di gegen ki re. kerang ki kangba kabar yore.
Nge kangpa dasala yure.
Ale
Ani kerang ki kangpa kapar yure.
nghe kangba Europe la yore.
That's it. Kaya tujichi yen hong la.
이제
Okay? Oh yeah. Oh tujichi tenzin la. I will thank myself also. Okay. Like this. Very good. Fair. Okay? Last. That in Hinda, yeah. Magla kerang tomin. Tene darala kerang tenzin in.
La,
Tenzin. Darala tenzin in.
la.
Tomin.
Kosong. Karanki Ming Kare Yin.
Nghe ming tenzin yin.
That's
Ani kerang ki ming karire.
Ngaming Drum Yin.
Kerang are ni yin pe.
Ming Nga Ari
Ari.
Ari
Ari America re. Ari.
Nga Ari Yin.
Nga Ari
Ming.
Name
min.
name.
Okay. Nga Europe Neyin.
That's it. Ari ne min.
Ani
Europe ne yin. Like this.
Ani kerang puneyin yin pe.
That's it.
Yin. Nga phu yin ne yin.
Ale kerang ki pama kare yure.
Kare mare kapar where?
Amar kapar.
Younger Lothang, younger.
Kapar
Hmm?
Yure.
That's it.
Ale. Keranki uh, Pama Kapar Yure.
Nge pama hula yure.
That's it.
Kerangla Punche Katsuyu.
Ala punche niyo. Ah, nge karere.
D.
Ni karere. Di karere.
Hmm?
Di Tepre.
Hep di kerang ki repe.
Mare Tepti Ngeme Ne Mare. Tepti Gegen Kere.
Again, Kire. Hmm?
Gegen Kire.
Huh?
Kiranki Kangpa Kapar Yure.
Nge kang pa dasa la yure.
Ale.
Ani kerang ki kang pa kapar yure.
Nge Kangpa Europe La Yure.
That's it.
Yes.
Huh?
Oh, yeah.
Yagu love song. Very good. This is first time we are reading as a conversation. Long sentence. First, second time. Very good. Pe aku cheso. Tujhe che.
Tujhe che.
Tujhe che. Darala tujhe che. Magla tujhe che.
Tujhe che.
Cheso. Aku cheso. Oh yeah. But then, Nimala thang. Wangmo la inda. Nimala tromin. Wangmo la tenzin in.
Keranki min karein.
Nge min dancing yin. Ani kerangi min karere.
Nge min chomin.
Kerangari ne yinde.
Min. Nga arena min. Nga Europe ne in. Ani kerang pöne inpe.
Yin nga pene yin.
Ale. Keranki pama kabar yore.
Nge pama pela yere.
Kerang la tunche katsuyu.
Nga la punche niye. Ah, di karere.
Ji depre.
Tep di kerangi rebe.
Mare. Debji nye mare. Debji gegen kere. Keranki kangpa kabar yore.
Nge kangba dasala yere.
Ale.
Ani kerangi kangba kapa yere.
Nge kangpa Europe la yore.
That's it. Pe aku lo song.
Tujhe che.
Hola, Swamula Tujichi, Nimala Tujichi, Peyagulo song.
May I ask how long have you two been practicing or learning Tibetan language, Wangmo and Nirma?
Dava kashe lapain.
Huh? Kachola.
Dava kashe lapain.
Oh, Kachola. Hold on. Let me check. Kachola. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, man, you can really speak well, huh? Okay. I wish one day I can speak like that. Okay.
Yes, yes. We all are doing good. I think we all are doing good. Some are a little bit slow, some are fast. If you know slow, you will know fast also. That's it. No problem. 하고서 Oh yeah, that's it. 빼하고 두지치. 야, 되네. 니콜레당, 야, 뉴르말라, 인다. 니콜레당, 뉴르말라.
Lagala.
니콜레당, 뉴르말라, 텐진인.
Kirangimin karein.
Ngemin tensinin. Ani kerangi min karere.
Nemin chomin.
Kerang arine inbe.
Min na arine min na Europe ne in. Ani kirang byanein pe.
Yin nga pene yin.
Ali kirangi pama kapar yore.
Nge pama pera yore.
Kirang kla punche katsoyo.
Nga la puncha niyo. Di karere.
Di tepre.
Tepti kerangi rebe.
Mare. Depti ne mare. Debdi gegengere. Kirangi kapka kankpa kapar yore.
Nge kangpa dasala yore.
Ali
Ani kerangi kangpa kapar yore.
ne kanpa Europe la yore.
That's it. 빼하고. Very good. 빼하고 loso.
그렇죠.
두지치 뉴르말라, 두지치 니콜레라. That's it. 아드네, 야, 로드리고 당, 앤 클레르 라인다.
예.
로드리고, 좀인, 앤 클레르 텐진인.
Nasu. Okay.
라소.
Kirangi. Ready? Kirang krimin kareye. Yin.
Nyiming Tenzingre. Ani. Kirang Kiming Karere.
Ngaming krok yin. Krom yin.
That's it.
Kirang sorry, Kirang
Ari, America, yeah.
Kirang Ani.
Ari.
Kirang
Raki Kuri.
Kirang Ari ne yin pi.
Min nga ari na min nga Europe na yin.
Na mare nasa ne. Europe ne. Ari ne.
Nasa ne. Europe, okay. Ni kirang po ne yin pe.
That's it. Min. Nga ari ne min. Nga Europe ne yin. Ani kerang pe ne yin pe. Like this. Agosma. Yeah, and Kerala.
Okay. I can't remember this one.
Ya kiku Yi, na, yin.
yin, yin. Nga, nga pene yin.
That's it.
Ale, kerang ki pamakapar yure.
That's it.
Nye pama pela yere.
There you go.
Kerang la pung che ka che ye ka che ye
Katsuyu. Bunchi.
katsuyo
Katsuyu.
katsuyo.
Kerang la bunchi. Katsuyu. Agosma.
Okay.
Ngala punche niya, niyen.
Ye.
Ye, niye.
Mala bunchi ni ye. That's it.
Ngala punche nile, niye. Ah, di karere.
That's it.
Di tepre.
That's it.
Tep di kiranki repe.
Mare tep di ai mare tep di ke kan kire
That's it. Gegen ki.
kirang kigen. Okay, yeah, kigen kirang kia rang ki gang paka par yure.
Kerang ki kangpa. House. Kerang ki kangpa.
Kangpa.
Kapar yuri. Like this.
Nye kampa gegen.
Mare dasa. Rat dasa.
Nye kampa. Guessing. Nye kampa.
Ra tha tak da sa dasa.
Dasa. Sorry. Nye kampa dasa. Dasa la yere.
That's it. Dasa. Short form of Dharam Singh. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
That's it.
Ale. Ale.
Okay.
Ani. Ani. Kerang ki kangpa kan kapar yin.
Kapar.
Yere.
That's it.
Kerang ki yeah, okay. Kerang ki kampa kapar yere.
That's it.
Ngai gang pa Europe la yure.
That's it. Nge kangpa Europe la yuri. That's it.
Could you? Thank you. Could you just explain the spelling for gegen?
Gegen. Okay. Here.
Uh,
Tha, ga, dengpo, ge. Ra,
mhm.
kata, ga, na, gen. Gegen. Gegen. Like this. Okay? Hmm?
Okay.
Gegen.
Okay.
Hmm? Like this. Okay? Tha, ka, dengpo, ge.
Okay.
Ra, kata, ga, na, gen. Gegen. Like this. Okay? Hmm? Very good.
There are two.
Very good.
Okay.
Hmm?
Okay.
Very good try. Now that I know how to teach you, what to teach you. I know this because you have tried it. I know where it's lacking, where it's good. Now I can suggest you, Akosma, and I will suggest you also.
Mhm.
Mhm. We all make
Mhm.
mistakes, no problem. Akosma, oh yeah, that's it. You know how to read it slowly, no problem. Akosma.
Mm.
All also. Tujiche. And Claire Tujiche.
Tudiche.
Rodrigo La Tujiche.
Tudiche.
That's it. Yeah. That in Sulhaso. Makla in the Makla. Makla thang Makla thang McGregor la in the McGregor la Kirang Tenzin in Mark Trom in. Oh, we finished, right?
Yeah, I did already.
Mm.
We finished.
To do it again?
Okay. Want to do one more? Yeah. Margaret.
Tensila,
Yes, please.
I have a question. Can you tell me what's the meaning? Kunchuk sum kare kare re.
Hmm?
Kunchuk sum kare kare re.
That's it. Kunchok sum
What
kare.
what is the meaning of that? I forgot.
What are the three jewels? That's it.
Ah, okay.
Kunchok sum. What?
Okay. What are the three? Yes, I remember now. We studied it. Okay.
That's it. Kunchok sum sangi
Okay. Kunjuk sum sangye and then
chu
chu
ge
or chung? Chu or chung? Chu. And then gegin, right?
gedin
Gedin.
gedin. Agosma.
Gedin. Yeah.
Those
Okay.
are all vocabulary we can learn.
Yes. Gedin. Yeah.
Hmm?
Sangye and then chu. Not chung, huh? Chu. Okay.
Chu.
Chu. Chu. Okay. Okay. Tugyuche.
That's it. We did very well. Agosma. Tujiche. Yeah, that in the Rodrigo la. Rodrigo la, Trashidalek.
Yidelek.
Rodrigo la, Kerang kapar ye.
Kapar.
Kerang kapar ye. Na, Kathmandu la ye. Kerang kapar ye.
Odense, Denmark. La ju.
That's it. Rodrigo la, di karere.
Di tepjure.
Di karere.
Di Tenzin ki tepre.
That's it. Re, not yure. Okay? Yure and re, chikpa mare. Agosma. Di karere.
Di tepre.
Tep di, Kerang ki repe.
Tep di Tenzin la re.
Tenzin ki re, ki.
Tenzin ki re.
Tep di nge mare. Tep di tenzin ki re. Like this. Agosma. Tep di Kerang ki repe.
Tep 탭디 댄싱키레.
That's it. Kerang la tep yupe.
탭, 탭, 탭 댄싱키레. Kerang is.
My question is Kerang la tep yupe. Do you have book? Kerang tep yupe.
Mare. I know. Re. Tepkire. Ne tepki. La.
La tep.
No tep.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ne la me ngala tep you. I have book. Yes.
Okay.
Or me. Like this. Ngala tep me. Or ngala tep you. Agosuma. Okay? That's it. I think because you missed some class, that's
Yeah.
why you are making these simple mistakes. Agosuma. I need to.
Yeah, I didn't have the time to
Yes.
check the videos yet. Sorry.
No problem. Let's figure out something so that you do not forget what you have learned. Okay? Yes. No problem. Okay. Yeah. En Clerla in the En Clerla. En
Aso.
Rashid Delek.
Tashidere.
En Clerla di Karire.
Di tepre.
Tep di Keranki Repe.
Tep di tenzing ki re.
Kerangla Tep Yupe.
Mare. Di tep nye mare.
No. Kerangla Tep Yupe.
Di tep nye mare.
The question is, Kerangla Tep Yupe. Do you have book?
Sorry. Okay. Tep re. Tep mangpore.
You, not re.
You. Yes. Yeah. Tep
Mangpo you.
Tep you.
Mala tep mangpo you. Just like this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
No problem. Agosuma. That's it.
Agosang.
Okay. Shempaya, mark in the mark. Mark la tashi dele. Kirang kapar you.
Kerang.
Na.
Oh yeah. Nga New York. New York la. Yeah.
That's it. Now with confident. Kirang kapar you.
Yeah.
Nga New York la. Yeah.
Ale lasu. Kirang la tep you pay.
Yeah. Tep you pay.
Nga tep la